Okay, so let's review. First of all, as we talked about in the beginning, more is not better. And that's because alcohol has the biphasic response in the body, and that you do have your perfect buzz for your personal drink count, which you'll go over after this video. Secondly, not all alcohol is created equal. As we said, there are standard drinks, 12-ounce bottle of beer, 5-ounce glass of wine, or 1.5 ounce of a shot at 80 proof liquor. Those are what we consider standard drinks. Next, men and women can't drink the same. Women have 25% less of the enzyme, alcohol dehydrogenase, that's in their body that is used to break down the alcohol. Also, big people and little people cannot drink the same. That has to do with the blood volume. The bigger you are, the more blood that you have, and the more that you can drink. So, if you're a big guy, you can drink the most. If you're a really little girl, you can drink the least. So, also, alcohol has predictable effects. If you drink heavily on a regular basis, you might develop a tolerance, but that does not mean that your BAC is changing. The BAC is still going to be the same. It won't be any lower just because your predictable effects have changed. Also, everyone has a personal drink count, as we talked about before. You will find yours out in a minute. And remember, the National Institute of Health suggests that men have no more than 4 in a day or 14 per week, and women have no more than 3 per day and no more than 7 per week. And those are standard drinks, by the way. Also, remember, sobering up takes a lot of time. It doesn't matter what you do, how much you eat, how much you drink. It doesn't matter. It takes about 1 hour per drink from the time that you finish it for the alcohol to process through your body and your BAC to go back to 0. Also, to be safe, some drinking behaviors should be avoided. Remember, drinking and driving is always a bad idea. When you do stupid stuff, you can get hurt. And drinking and having sex is usually just not a good plan. It's usually a very risky plan. So remember those risky drinking behaviors. And then lastly, alcohol emergencies should not be ignored. They can be life-threatening, and you should not leave the person alone if they look like they are having an alcohol emergency, and make sure that you always call for help. So, thank you for listening. Again, my name is Jessie Henderson, and this was Alcohol 101. I hope that you learned something, and now you can talk about what you've learned and get your personal drink count. Thank you.